Hello friends and welcome back. On today's video, we're in our Winter Thankful Season Collab, being thankful to God for all the many blessings that He stores upon us. And the host that is with me is Miss Lady Pheocix from Really Good Living. Guys, if you have not subscribed to her channel, her link will be in my description box. Tell her that Penny sent you. Thank you so much. Guys, in this season and every day, I am so thankful for what the Lord has done for me. I have such a blessed family. And guys, I am so grateful for God protecting us on this earth. In spite of what's going on, I'm thankful that we're still here. When I look around and hear so much people going through, we are blessed to be here, guys. In all things, give God thanks. This table runner is what I use as my theme. I always find a theme before I decorate. I bought this table runner from Big Lots. I love the pine trees and the color. It reminds me of winter. I must say, guys, I enjoy putting this together, and in this thankful collab, I end up doing some DIYs with it, and I'm telling you, everything just came out so beautiful and nice. Everything I did here, guys, was on a budget. I hope that you love my centerpiece. I was just, trying to do something simple but elegant, beautiful, and nice. Because, guys, it's not about our tablescape. It's not about what we have. It's all about God and who He is in our life. We must put God in our life. We got to choose Him today. Guys, I'm so grateful and thankful for the many things He gives us. Life, health, and strength, and salvation through His Son, Jesus. So I hope you're enjoying this thankful collab on today. I hope you enjoy what I have put together. And if you want any more information on anything that you see on this table, please don't hesitate to ask. Here, I'm just showing you how I add a layer of bling to my chargers, and it really gave it an upgrade. I added my faith dishes, which is Christmas dishes, but I felt that this was appropriate, and my blessed and my grateful dishes, because you have to have faith in the God that you serve. Guys, I thank you so much for joining us, because we are so blessed. We are blessed to be here. We are blessed, guys. And I'm telling you, we got to always give God thanks, not just in certain seasons, but in everything. The Word of God said, give God thanks, for this is the will concerning His saints. I'm telling you, this is right on time, because I love giving God thanks. I thank y'all so much for watching. Thank Miss Lady Pheocix for putting this together. I thank everyone who participated. And remember, guys, this is a seasonal collab. It's open to the public, and you're welcome to join. I hope y'all enjoyed this today. And if you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you. I thank you for the faithful friends and for the new friends that's coming. May God bless you and stay in the season of thanks, knowing that God loves y'all. Y'all have a blessed and prosperous day from Penny. Until I see y'all on my next video. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching, friends. And before you leave, don't forget to watch another video. And please do subscribe. Thank y'all and have a Merry, blessed Christmas.